Today we have the Feit electric heavy duty LED work light. It's rechargeable up to 2000 lumens bright with 3 levels of brightness. It's water resistant, impact resistant. It has a USB output, emergency power bank for charging your electronics on the go. It has a heavy duty magnet, an easy hanging hook. It's good for indoors and outdoors. So let's get it open and check it out. This is a 2-pack, so you get 2 flashlights and 2 power cords. Right out the box, the first thing I noticed is how sturdy these flashlights feel. These are some very solid flashlights. These rubber reinforcements on the side. This flashlight can take a couple of bangs and be just fine. Here are the hanging hooks that are built into the flashlight. You can hang this flashlight pretty much anywhere. There are 3 levels of brightness. You can adjust the levels of brightness to save battery when you're out on the go. If you look here, it'll show you the battery level. If you look here on the back of the flashlight, you can see your USB output for the emergency power bank. So if you're out and about and your batteries on your cell phone are getting low, you can plug them right into your flashlight and charge them up. Here's the micro USB power cord that comes with the 2 flashlights. You get 2 of them here for your 2 flashlights. These flashlights are easy to adjust and move around. They have 2 knobs on the side to tighten up so you can fit them into tight spots or wherever you need to fit them. I think they will work great for content creation in order to get lights into those spots that are hard to get light to. There's a lot of uses for these flashlights. They're really nice. I was really impressed by how tough these flashlights are. They're definitely considered heavy-duty flashlights. Here you can see the magnet. You can use that to clip it to your car, or if you're working outside, or maybe your job. Here's a better look at the LED bulbs. This is a really bright flashlight. I'm going to plug the flashlights in now and charge them up. And once we have them charged, we'll take them outside to see how they do in the dark. I want to show you here how effective the magnets on the flashlight are. Really, really strong magnet. I mean, it can almost open a refrigerator door by itself. It holds the flashlight in place very well. You can get kind of creative with these magnets here and put the two flashlights together and kind of have your super flashlight here. You can put them both together and turn them both on and really light it up outside. Definitely good if you're camping and you just need to see what's going on. So overall here, just a really nice flashlight, and I highly recommend it. This is a really good flashlight to have in your car, just to keep for emergencies. It's good for camping with the emergency backup power. You never know when you run out of power and you just need that extra bit of power. And you'll have it right here in your flashlight, you know, as an extra feature with all the other great features that this flashlight has. So I was really impressed and I highly recommend it.